Hello guys, welcome to our channel Robotech. So today we are going to show how to make a coffee mixer. So let's begin. Materials required are 9 volts battery, a 9 volts battery holder, a DC motor, a wire, a switch, a lollipop stick and a double-sided tape. Connect the positive terminal of the battery holder to the switch. Connect a wire to another side of switch. Connect the positive and negative terminal to the motor. Connect the 9 volts battery to the 9 volts battery holder. Connect the lollipop stick to the motor. Connect the switch and the motor to the battery. Now our coffee mixer is ready to work. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe.